Welcome back. So I just saw the Harbor Freight advertisement for their flash sale Wednesday. They normally release these on Tuesday, but they do pop up here and there as different advertisements on social media. And that's what this one is. And so we'll go over it and then we'll look at some of the prices on some of the ones that they're offering. So it's this Wednesday, 20% off all Predator gas generators, of course, while supplies last. So how many Wednesdays are left? 2 more Wednesdays, I believe, left in the month of February. And so this is for this Wednesday coming up. 1 day flash sale, Wednesday 2/19, 20% off all Predator gas generators. Don't have the details, I can't click on this, but specifically all Predator gas generators. So we'll look at all the generators, gas ones, that Predator has, and we'll see how much 20%, if it makes sense. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that there is the March parking lot sale coming up. And so we'll look at that briefly to see what comes up. And so, of course, there is something here already. There's a Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator with co-secure technology, $599.99, $200 off. So $200 off of something that's $800, that's 25% off. And so already this is better if you wait until the March parking lot sale. Now, of course, sometimes the parking lot sales change, but they don't change much. And I don't think they've changed too much on the heavy items. I feel like when I've seen them change, they change on the ribbon items and they'll add some things here and there, but I haven't seen them take too much things off, just switch things up a little bit. But for this 3500 watt, it's better to hold off until the parking lot sale, but we'll look at it either way. So here, the 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator with co-secure technology, $799, super nice looking generator, to be honest. But again, 20% off of this is only $160 on the parking lot sale. You're getting it for $200 off. So let's look at the next one that pops up on the parking lot sale. So you have a few more Predators here. You have the 9500 watt super quiet. So let's look that one up. So here we have the 9500 watt super quiet inverter generator with co-secure technology, EPA, $2299.99. So 20% off of this, I mean, it's not too hard of math to do. It's $230 plus $230 is $460 off. $460 off you'd get on this. But of course, let's check against the parking lot sale and you're getting $500 off. So you're saving a little bit more now. It's only $40 difference, but still better deal during the parking lot sale. So I would say, unless you absolutely need it and you plan on getting one soon, you can't wait till March. Well, then yeah, it's not a bad time to get it. Make sure you get it on Wednesday. But you'll save $500 versus the 20% off, which is only going to be $460. And I say only, it's pretty close. So the next one we're looking at is this 9,000 watt gas powered portable generator with co-secure technology, $699.99, only $100 off. So $100 off of $800. I'll tell you right now is not 20%. 20% would be about $160. So in the case of this 9,000 watt gas powered portable generator, this one for sure, you get it now versus the parking lot sale because you're going to save more. You're going to save $160 on this. So $160, you'll get it for $630 versus the $699. And this last one's an engine. It's only generators, not engines. So those are the deals that I know of coming up for the Predator generators. So avoid the two that are worse, and then this one, if you're looking into this 9,000 watt one, this one would be the one to get this Wednesday. Now let's just take a look at the other generators just to take a look at. So this is the Predator 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator with remote start and co-secure technology, EPA, $11.99. This has a keyless start. It's like you're gonna race away in it. $11.99.99, and you're getting this for 20% off. So you get it for $959. So you're getting it for, what is that, $240 off, which is really, really good discount. And then we'll just take a look at the 5,000 watt dual super quiet inverter, one of the less, I would say less expensive ones, mid-tier ones with remote start co-secure technology. Same thing. It's $1,099.99, and you get it for 20% off. You're getting it for $879.99, so about $880. You're saving $220, which again, really, really good discount on these. Would be the time to get this. Of course, it's not going to be at the March parking lot sale. And then just the last one I want to look at. There's definitely a few different levels, all between $450 and, well, between $350 and the $2,300. And then this one is just one of the lower tier ends, 1,400 watt Predator super quiet inverter generator with co-secure technology, EPA, $449.99. Lightweight. This is one of the ones easy to carry. One of the ones if you're looking for something super portable. $449.99 at 20% off. You're getting it for $360. So not quite $100 off, but pretty close, about $90 off. And yeah, That's the flash sale coming up. Just be wary of the parking lot sale when choosing your generator if you're in the market for one. Hopefully this is helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.